Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl again, Fehinbeauty. So today we are looking at this beautiful woman. It's her first time having a makeover. So first of all, I was trying to get her hair in control, although she did end up with a gele. So I actually did not really need, to do her hair, but it was really rough, and she had so many hair, almost all over her face. Like, she's real airy, and I really do love it. So babes, I don't know what to say. But then before I know what to say, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, do not forget to hit the notification bells, and also do not forget to hit the comment section to let me know how you feel. So next, I'm going into foundations and concealers, and so I'm just trying to keep it skin tone. So I ended up mixing the wrong concealer, which was a little bit darker than our skin, but then it did come out right at the end of the day. So next, for concealers, I went into LA Pro for highlights, and I went into LA Pro for darks too. Since she's light, I did not really need the for her concealer because I wasn't really going for a burnt, so, but then I did like the outcome of it. So she did not give me a preference for what she wanted for her makeup. She was just like, do anything you want. So I was really happy about the do anything you want. So guys, I'm just blending through. So guys, I know I did mention, babes, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, do not forget to hit the comment section. Also, do not forget to hit the notification bell to know when new videos goes up. So I'm going into a very small flat brush, to be precise, with our nose contour, and then I'm extra blending with a beauty blender. So I was really trying to be careful because I did not want the makeup to be too poppy, and yet I did not want it to be too flashy, and yet I wanted it to be cool, nice, and okay. So next, I'm going into setting. I went into translucent powder for our highlights. I went into color 4 for our contour, and I went into color 2 for our reverse contour. So color 2 and color 4 are black. Pow, babes. And for the translucent, I made use of my passion powder. Ooh, wow. How nice. So babes, very quickly, I'm going into our brows, and if you want more information on how to get your brows done, babes, you can hit one of my videos below, a detailed brow video, and probably soon I will be updating the video. So, but then in essence, I just went into a glue and I set that down, and then next, so actually 2 people did this makeup, and I was unable to film the second because I was out of storage. I apologize, guys. I really do apologize. I know I've been missing out on so many videos. I'm so sorry. So next, I'm going into Davies pencil. Davies days, and I'm just like, going cool, not too much, not too less. I'm just keeping cool with it. So her brows are quite big, and she was like, "Don't trim off my brow. I don't want you to touch my brow." So I had to go with the air and all, not trying not to touch brows. So, but then it came out cute, fine. I liked it. So I went ahead to prime her eye, get it ready for the foundation. So I went ahead to set it. I used a cake powder this time to set it. So I really was tempted to use cream blushes, but then I did not because first she's a newbie for makeup and she most likely would not want so much blush. So I just went cool with the blush. I went like really, really soft in the blush. Let me leave it later. So, babes, next I'm just going into further blending our nose and and then I went into this big fluffy brush to like blend the whole face together. So, babes, now we are going into finishes. So you can see how light my touch is with the blush, and I'm really, really sorry for the kind of the video is quality of the video is kind of low, and it's because of where we were. I had limited lighting. Honestly, Mom, I'm really, really sorry about that. So, but then the thing is, at the end of the day, she loved the makeup. She was cool with it, and she was like, "Oh, my face seems darker." And I was like, "Wow, it's not really darker. It's just the contour." And babes, I really do love the outcome. Like, I do love it, to be honest. Mwah. So guys, of course, if you did like the video, let me know in the comment section below. If there's anything you want to be changed, let me know in the comment section below. And babes, also do not forget to give your thumbs up if you did like the video, and also babes, do not forget to share this video. Let everyone know. Come on, you could help us, sis. So next we are spraying and boom, extra air, and we are done with the whole makeup. And one word, she looks like an Indian bride.